What happened?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Didn't you recognize me?
No, I didn't recognize you. By the way, who are you?
I am a leader and my name is Priyanka and I am an MP of this area.
What? You are an MP? Sorry for that, but still I didn't recognize you.
What? You don't know me? I am a very famous leader of your area.
Tell me, how may I assist you?
My name is Priyanka and I am a candidate for the post of an MP of this area.
You mean you are going to be an MP of this area again?
Yes, sir. You are absolutely right. I am the future of this area and you are very lucky to have me.
If I am not wrong, then you are the same person who had come exactly before 5 years ago.
Yes, you are very intelligent and your mind is so sharp and you are the real citizen of the country and you don't forget politicians. I am proud of you.
By the way, if you don't mind, you are from which party? Who promised 15 lakh or who promised to make Alu to Sona or who promised to make Delhi better than London?
Sir, I think you have been manipulated by the WhatsApp University. The fact is something different.
Oh, I see.
Sir, I am a very corrupted leader. Oh, no. Sorry for that. I am a very honest leader. It was just a slip of the tongue.
Oh, election pressure.
Yeah. Election pressure. You have good sense of humor.
Would you like to take anything?
Yes, please. I would like to have a glass of water.
Okay, wait. Have it.
Is this drinking water? Sir, I asked you for the drinking water, but it seems to be like gutter water.
We drink this every day. You should also try once because this is your supply water.
Thank you. Okay, and what do you think about other facilities like gas, electricity?
Come with me.
What happened?
Bhaiya, where are you going?
I am coming. Wait.
मैम फैसिलिटी का तो हमें भी नहीं देते।
Burbak kahi ka.
Okay, wait. I am coming. Sorry for the disturbance. What were you saying?
Sir, I was saying, what about the other facilities like education, gas, toilet, and electricity?
And what were you saying about electricity?
I think the bulb got fused.
The bulb is not fused. Whole electricity is fused.
What? Dial the number. I think I am very auspicious.
Yes, you are very auspicious because generally we only get 10 hours electricity per day. But unfortunately, it has come again. By the way, if you don't mind, may I ask you a question?
Yes, you can ask. It's my pleasure.
What is the full form of MP?
What? MP? MP? What is this?
MP, what do you mean by MP?
Oh, MP. MP, it means Mera Pradesh, Mera Pradesh.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. Mera Pradesh, Mera Pradesh. By the way, what is your educational qualification?
Sir, I am as qualified as an MP requires. By the way, I have done ITUS.
By the way, ma'am, does he know the meaning of ITUS? इसकी टोपी उसके सर.
अरे धतूर बात.
Okay, I got it. ITUS. ITUS. Well, tell me why there is no any exam in the politics, whereas we have to pass the exam even to be a peon.
Sir, it requires experience to run a country, which we are having. It doesn't require any exam.
To work as a peon called chaprasi, we have to clear the examination. But to run the country, it doesn't require any exam. I can understand politics.
Yeah. Politics. You are right.
What do you think about our youth and employment? You promised crores of jobs. Where are those jobs?
Sir, we have done many things.
Yes, you have done many things. But where are the jobs? And what have you done to create the job opportunities?
Sir, I think you have been manipulated by the opposition. Crores of jobs mean if a hospital, school, college and any company is opened, it means millions of jobs are created and many small and big industries are established.
Oh, I see. You want to say that people are fool. They don't consider these jobs. They think that only government jobs are jobs, or government will provide jobs at their doorstep.
Yes, sir. They don't consider these jobs as jobs. Jobs mean government jobs, private jobs, hospitals, education, transport, including everything. You have to think about the jobs.
Okay, I see. You are absolutely right. I agree with you on these points.
Thank you, sir. Your mind is very sharp. You got everything very easily. Otherwise, it took many years to explain to our opposition. But you got everything within couple of minutes. Thank you.
Yes, government jobs can't be given to everyone. People have to think. Jobs mean including all the sectors such as government sector, private sector, farming, fishing, construction, loan, education, transportation, etc.
Yes, sir. You are absolutely right. And you can compare the ratio in any sector. Our government has done well.
Oh, I see. Well, what do you think about corruption?
Sir, our government is working on zero tolerance against the corruption.
Oh, I see. Well, tell me something about washing machine.
What? What do you mean by washing machine? If you want to know more about washing machine, I can tell you. Because I used to run an electronic shop before entering into the politics.
It means corrupted leaders who keep on changing their parties to protect themselves. I am talking about them.
Sir, it's up to the leaders where they want to work and with which party.
Oh, that means if any corrupted leader joins your party, then he or she is washed in the washing machine of the honesty.
No, it's not like that. It means if anyone has done any crime, then he or she has to bear it, and any case is not closed. Court is working for that.
Okay, and what do you think about date and timing?
Sir, what do you mean?
I mean, ma'am, dates of elections are fixed. Even the dates of results are also fixed before the elections. But what about the dates of exam and joining dates?
I didn't get.
Ma'am, students keep on waiting for getting jobs. Even after getting appointment letters, there is no any fixed date for getting appointed for any job. Whereas Dates of results and elections are always fixed.
Sir, leaders have to run the country with the honesty.
Ma'am, you are because of us. Well, I know you don't have any answer of this question.
Sir, try to understand. We are working tirelessly for you. Don't worry.
What do you think about Parivarwad? Why anyone can be a CM, PM or a leader only from your Parivar?
Sir, our party is completely against of it. And a simple Karyakarta can become CM, PM and a leader in our party. And even you also can be.
I am looking how clever you are. Well, what do you think about VIP culture? गाड़ी नहीं लेंगे, कार नहीं लेंगे, बंगला नहीं लेंगे, सूट नहीं लेंगे. Well, do you know what you are doing? You are living in Sheesh Mahal.
Sir, we have to represent our country. That's why we have to take. But I can assure you, I am very pure and honest by heart.
Okay, well, what do you think about free culture?
Sir, I am totally against this culture.
You must have heard about it. There are many countries which have been destroyed by it, and Bharat is also going towards it.
Sir, I am totally against it. But I think only poor people should be given free things like education, hospitals and so on. Because Bharat is developing country, not developed.
Well, what do you think about reservation? Don't you think it should be on the basis of economy only?
Sir, I agree with you, but it has been the part of this country to help poor people.
I also believe that there should be reservation, but only for poor people or who are economically weak. It doesn't matter whether they are from any caste or religion.
Yes, it should be.
Everyone should be given reservation who are economically weak. They may be from any caste or religion.
Okay, sir, I have noted it.
Thank you. Well, I think there must be a toll-free number where all the problems can be registered and can be resolved, like private companies.
Okay, sir, we will try our best.
Okay, well, tell me one thing. Why leaders are missing after winning the election?
Sir, they are not missing. They have to work around the clock. That's why you are not able to see them.
Oh, working. I see.
Yes, sir. They are working for you 24/7.
Okay, well, what about safety? Many crimes are happening and increasing day by day.
Sir, we are working on it and we are installing the CCTV cameras and we have been able to reduce the crime rates. And you must have heard about the bulldozer action.
Yes, I have heard about it. And what about education? We need more schools, colleges, universities, etc. We need to better our education system.
Sir, we have worked a lot. You can see the changes.
Okay, let me decide. Whom should I vote?
Sir, I will do everything. Don't worry. For now, keep this 5,000 rupees.
What is this? And what I will do with this money? Will I be able to run my family for 5 years with this money? Of course not.
Oh, don't worry. You will get more after winning the election.
We are educated people. We don't want money. We want job, education, safety, peace, road and etc.
Let me win the election. I will do everything. I promise.
You had made the same false promises before 5 years ago. But even you didn't show your face a single time.
Again, I am asking you, will you take it or not?
Sorry ma'am, we can't sell our vote and dignity for bunch of rupees. Well, nice to meet you and thank you for coming after 5 years.
Okay, sir, as you wish, and nice to meet you.
Ma'am, by the way, should I tell you one last thing?
Yes, please tell me.
वोट नहीं दूंगा.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
My name is N.K. Shahi. and I live in this colony.
Yes, sir, I know you very well.
Sir, by profession, I am a professor.
Oh, yes, I know you, sir. I have heard about you. You have helped so many poor students by teaching them at free of cost.
Well, I try my best to help everyone in my society. What I can do for them.
I know about you. You keep on raising your voice for education.
I try my best to help the society.
I am very happy to talk to you.
Sir, I have been teaching in a college for 20 years and I have won many awards during my teaching career.
Sir, I know about you. You are very honest.
Sir, actually, I have been chosen to fight the election from this area for the post of an MP. That's why I have come here to request you to vote for our party.
Don't do it, sir. We need leaders like you. I will vote for you and will tell my friends and relatives to vote for you and for your party.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I am not willing to fight the election because of the dirty politics.
Yes, sir. I know. But to change the system, we have to be part of the system.
Yes, sir. I know that. That's why I am fighting the election.
Sir, we need educated and honest leaders like you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words.
Unfortunately, educated leaders, Kattar Imandar leaders are also in jails.
Don't worry, sir. Karma returns.
Yes, sir. If you do corruption, then get ready to go to jail.
Yes, sir. People know everything.
Yes, sir.
If I do, I will also have to go to jail.
Of course.
I know whom will you vote is based on your choice. But I want you to take the correct decision while voting.
Obviously, we all want helpful, honest citizen like you to have power to improve our society.
Sir, my main goal is to improve our education system and health facilities of this area.
Oh, that's great.
Personally, I think that there is a lack of schools, colleges, and other public facilities.
Yes, you are right.
Sir, I will try my best to improve everything,
Oh, that's great.
and I will also try to create more jobs so that educated people don't remain unemployed.
Don't worry, we must vote you.
If you are with us, then we will surely be able to do something for our society.
Of course, not only me, even everyone, including youth, farmers, women, everyone will be with you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If we choose leaders like you, then I think we must be able to elect the correct person for our country.
Thank you so much, sir. I will definitely win this election and will work for our society.
Sir, one thing, why educated people don't want to come into the politics?
I think, sir, all the educated people should come forward to fighting the elections.
Sir, what are your views on politics?
Sir, the game of power will continue, the governments will come and go, the parties will be formed and destroyed, but this country should remain and its democracy should remain immortal.
Okay, sir.
And this is my personal number. If you have any problem, do call me 24/7.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Stay safe and have a nice day.